Yeah, I finally got all my shit wired in. Got it wired into a Scoj Lock 2LS 2-channel output converter. Got all my rear and front speakers wired in, and the tweeters also work. And got them all wired into this 2-channel output converter, but I got it wired into my aftermarket head unit right here and whatnot. But once I get this shit all put in, I'll be able to put my, where is it, right here, my climate control back in. All this will be out the way, and I gotta put this back on. I took out the cigarette lighter and the smoke tray, but I'm gonna just Velcro tape this so I can take this off and whatnot, but keep it right there. Yeah, I got the big old fucking sub in here. Custom 10-inch subwoofer box that I made. It's a DD Audio SL610 D2 sub, slim. It's only literally the size of this, and it's in there. It's meant for slim boxes, but yeah, it has about this much of room to hit. Then the sound pushes out both ways, then comes forward to over here, and then goes out. Both of them right here meet right here, and then come out the main tube right there, which is a 6 by something, 6x4 or something. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do. I got all the main wiring stuff done now. Oops. I gotta get my 115 volt wired in and whatnot.